Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful blowout using a $25 product. That's right, $25 product. It is absolutely amazing. I can't wait to share this with you guys. But before we jump into it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to comment what you guys think of this video below. So let's jump into it, and I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this look. Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys how I style my hair and give myself a nice blowout wave. I'm going in with the rotating hot air brush. So this is the one that I got from Kmart. It is $25. Just a quick rundown, it does have two sizes. So this is what it looks like, and you do get two of the wands. One is 40 millimeters, which is this one, and then this one is 50. So there is a little bit of difference in size. I do often use the big one, but today I'm going to show you guys the small, just because I want to show you what it's like to have a nice tighter kind of curl. So on here as well, this has two heat settings, and it also has a cool one. It does 360 degrees swivel cord, and it is pretty simple to use, and for $25, who would not give this a go? So the first thing I like to do is section my hair, give it a good brush through. I just like to do it this way. I do have a weave, so I find my hair is quite thick. So let's get started and give it a go. So cute. I got these hair scrunchies from Kmart as well. These were $6. It did come in a 2-pack, and my shirt is from Kmart too, so loving Kmart. So I'm just going to grab one of my little clips, and I'm just going to section my hair. Perfect. So I did wash my hair this morning, and I did give it a blow dry. So I mean, this does like heat up. It blows air out rather than being like a hair straightener that kind of heats up. But I haven't used it on my hair when it's like really wet, just because I don't know, I just like to do it when my hair's a lot more drier. So as you can see, I don't straighten my hair or anything, I just go straight in with this as well. So I'm just going to give my hair a nice brush through. What I might do is I'll do one side, put that up in a ponytail. We'll do one side and then we'll do the other so you guys can see the difference. So I'm gonna go in and use the small barrel. So it's super easy, click straight on. The two buttons on the side, and that just clicks it in, and that way it's nice and secure. And then on the side here you have all your settings, cold, I guess 0, 1, 2, and you can twist it left to right. I will probably play some music because it does get a bit loud, but I'm just going to demonstrate and show you guys how I do it anyway. Okay, so just with that little piece, as you guys can see, this has more like a wave texture to it, and compared to this one that is crazy frizzy. Don't worry about my short bits here. Once my hair's down, it is fine. What I like to do with that is, if you guys seen, I like to kind of hold it and just pull it outwards like this. That way those bits get nice and like more straight. You can kind of hold it on there as well. And then brush through. So sometimes I do like to press it back and forth so it will manually go down and then up and down and up. However, sometimes I curl it up and then I pull it down myself, as if I guess you're at the hair salon. That's kind of what they do with the brush and the hairdryer. But it's up to you. I mean, sometimes I get in the habit of just pressing the buttons. Sometimes can't be bothered doing that. So then I just go down, let it sit, and then I just manually pull it. So yeah, let's do the other side. What I might do is I might do half and half so you guys can see what half my head looks like actually with it done. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is the one side that I have used the hot blower on, and as you can see, this is the other side. It's still looking a little dull, where this one just looks nice and got that natural body. One thing I love to do is, especially as I get to the top, I like to pull it out more just so it gives it more kind of lift and fullness. And then at the end, I kind of like to wrap them all together and give it a little bit of a tweak, and just kind of see how it naturally falls. So when I get to the top, see what I got. You guys will see what I do with my front part here. But even with this, I don't like to necessarily curl it like that. I just like to give it some sort of like height to kind of lift. So again, I'm just gonna grab this and okay, so as you guys can see, this is starting to look so good. So with the front, what I like to do is I like to pull it back. That way it kind of sits off my face and goes out that way. But as you can see, it just gives it a lot more flow, a lot more body, makes my hair look nice and full. And it's so easy, and like for $25, oh my god. So this is the other side. As you guys can see, it's not looking as stylish, it's not looking as full, and it's looking very flat. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and show you guys the final results. And $25, oh my god, this is amazing. Okay guys, that is both sides done. I absolutely feel like I've just left the hair salon and my hair feels amazing. There's nothing better than like a blowout, and this just feels incredibly easy. It is so easy to do. It feels so nice, and anybody can do this at home, and for the price, I literally cannot believe it. So to finish it off, I usually just run my hands through my hair. I let it cool down a little bit. I don't really add anything to it. You guys can if you want. Highly recommend. This is truly amazing for the price on this. Again, it is a little loud, but I mean, so is a hairdryer. I don't think it is as loud as a hairdryer, which is quite good. And it's super easy, so it saves the time of using the hair curler as well as the hair dryer, so it's all in one. So I absolutely love it. Let me know what you guys think of this. Have you tried it? Is there something else that you guys recommend that I can give a go? And let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys, bye.